Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Happy Demi, a project manager who shares easy tutorials to help you stay productive and organized. So today I'm going to show you a CRM I built on Airtable. I built this for your client and you'll be able to do so for your clients to track their leads, their deals, and any other projects. So you can do all this in one place. You don't need to use different tables or different CRM. You can do all this in one place. So first, we're going to need two tables. We have our leads table and our deals table. The leads, think of the leads as people or companies that you are talking to. People or companies that are maybe you're in talking stage with, these are the leads. While the deals are the actual sales or opportunities you are working on. So in the leads table, you can add fields like your name, your email, your phone number, your company, your lead source, and many more. While in the deals table, you can have the deal name, the created date, the stage, the amount, and you can have a linked record to your lead. So think of the leads as who you're working with and the deals as what you're trying to close. Now, if you want to connect these two tables so you don't have to be going back and forth, like if you see in my leads table here, I have a field that is titled deals here. That way I can see which deal is linked to the leads. Do you understand? So if I go to my deals also, this is my deals table right here. So if I scroll to the back, I can see my linked lead here. So I don't need to be going back and forth between the leads and deal. I can see which deal is on the leads table. Now, but if you want to do that, if you want to link a record to another, I'm going to show you now how to link to another record. So from this list table here, just click on the plus sign to add a field. Then we are going to use a field type name link to another record. So when I click link to another record, I want to, since I'm on the leads table and I want to link my deals to the lead. So I just click on deals. But assuming I was on the deals table, I'm going to be linking it to lead. So now I'm going to name this as deals because I already have a previous field title deals. So I'm going to name this as deals 2. So and I linked it to deals, then I click on create field. As you can see that we are going to skip this for now. We are going to talk more on that later. So as you can see here now, I have my deals here. So if I click on, I can link this to any, as you can see, I can link it to any of the lead we had previously. Do you understand? So this is the bandwidth. If I want to, I will just click on this. Do you understand? I can link it to as many deal that I can deal that I want. I can link multiple deals to one lead. So that's that about linking to another record. You know, this allows you to link each deal to a specific person or company. Once you link them, you know, Airtable automatically creates a two-way connection. So when you view a lead, you will also see all the details tied to them. So if I go to my deals, you will see that I also have my leads created, as you can see. You see that this is what we created in the leads table. You can see that it is appearing here. So that's one of the sweetest things I love about Airtable, that you can link to another record. It is super helpful because it keeps everything connected. You know what is involved, who is involved all in one place. You don't need to be going back and forth. So you understand. So now that we're on the deals table, we can add so many fields like the stage. This stage means that what stage are we on in the deal? What stage? Like, are we on the discovery stage? Are we on the proposal stage? Have we negotiated? Has the deal been won? So, and this stage, to get this field, so I'm going to edit this so I show you what I did to get this field. I use a field called the single select field. So you click on the single select field. This is it right here, single select field. Then you had your options. This is where I added my option and I color coded them. So click on save. Do you understand? That is how you get your stage field. Then for the amount, we used the currency field. We just use the currency field to get the amount of our deal. Now for the created date, we use a field called the created time field. So it shows when the record was automatically added. Do you understand? It shows when the record was automatically added. So now there's one field I want to show you. These days in the pipeline. It is a formula field that we used in Airtable. It helps us calculate how many days have passed since this deal was added to the CRM. Do you understand? How many days have passed since it was added? So to get this formula field, I'm going to edit this so you see what I did. I used the field type called the formula. Then I added this formula, date, time, difference, today, created date, and date. So what this simply means is that this today means that it's today's date. Do you understand? The created date means that when the deal was added, then this days here signifies when the difference we want in the days. That means the formula is going to calculate how many days have passed since the deal was created. Then Airtable will automatically calculate this for you and it will display it for you. Do you understand? So let me save this. So if we calculate, let's calculate. Now this deal was created April 30th. So if you calculate April 30th till now, you see that it gives you 91 days. Do you understand? So this formula field is very good for when you want to know how long the deal has been created, like how many days have passed since the deal was created. The formula is good because it helps you track your progress, so you'll be able to follow up on any deals that you feel that has been old or that has not been moving on, that there's no progress on it, and it helps you stay organized. You don't need to do anything manually. The formula will just help you calculate everything automatically. Do you get? Okay, so there's one other field I want to show you here in the leads table. The field is called the lookup field. The lookup field. So to add the lookup field, I already have it here. This is the lookup field. So, but let me just show you a step by step how to add the lookup field. So to add the lookup field, after clicking our plus sign, we can search here to type lookup. Then you click on lookup. So you select the field that you want to link it to. Do you understand? Since we already have lookup, okay, select lookup. So choose a field in this table. Is it on the deals table you want to, is it the deals one or the deals two? Do you understand? We've already done for deals one. So let's do for deals two. Do you understand? You will do for deals two. So it will choose which detail to show. This deals field you want to look up. So you choose a field. Do you want to look up the deal name, the lead, the amount? Is it the created date you want to look up? Do you want to look up the stage, the days in pipeline, or the lead? So let's see what we want to look up. Let's look up days in pipeline. Okay, let's look up days in pipeline. So when we create the field, as you can see, because we filled out two information, as we filled up everything here, it will show the days in pipeline. Do you understand? But it's because this right here has not been filled up. But see this two that has been filled up, as you can see, the days in pipeline has been filled up automatically for us. And this one is showing 78, 78 because we have two informations here. We have details for Dynasty Lab and we have the details for Teams Apparel. That's why it's showing two figures here. So that's that about lookup. I hope you understand this little explanation I did. If you don't understand anything, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll explain better to you. I also share some resources for you in the comment section. So with this CRM in Airtable that we've just built, you can use it for client deals. You can use it to manage clients, leads, sales. You can use it to manage any project that has to do with deals, sales, and the likes. So if this was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'm going to be sharing more tutorials on Airtable. I'm going to be sharing also on monday.com, Allsports, Asana, and so many tools that will help you stay productive and organized. So thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.